Everyone, I'm going to show you in this video how to reuse posts in your Google Classroom. So I'm going to open up my class. This is keyboarding for high school credit, and you can see I have resources at the top. I like to put important links up here for kids to stay. Everything is on Google Classroom for them, so they don't have to go other places to find what they need. And so this is my plan for next week, and I just looked at the calendar for next week, and there was a couple of things that I made this plan in advance, and then I go back and I look and see if there are any things I need to know about. So I just added a professional development day on Wednesday, so I'm going to have to push these things back some. And what I need to do is I need to have so Wednesday is a professional development day, so I'm going to push this lesson here back, and instead of pushing it back to Thursday, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and have a keyboarding practice day only on Thursday also, because the fact that we have a pep rally day that day, and basically my first period class I'll only see for 5 minutes that day. So I don't want to have this full lesson here on the same day. I try to keep all the classes on the same page. So what I want to do is create a day on Thursday 9/22, just like we have on 9/19. So I could click on this and open it and edit it, and I could copy all this, right click and copy, and then close that back and go back to, I'll create a new Thursday, that way I don't want to delete this one. So Thursday 9/22, create an assignments, and I like to put these little colored emojis, the little circles. I like to put the little, this is going to be keyboarding practice. I like to put the little yellow circles on there to keep the kids, give them a visual to help make things easier to find. I'll put the same colors every day. Keyboarding practice. All right. So we could do this, and I could just copy and paste that in there and make the adjustments as I want it, right? We could do that, but we could also do this. I'm going to delete that real quick. All right, so here's what I do. I already have this made on Monday right here. So instead of going to all the trouble, what I just showed you, we could do right there. We can go up to Mondays and see, we've already got the same thing. So we need the same lesson here for keyboarding skills practice. We need that on Thursday. So what I'm going to do, I need 9/19 to 9/22. All right, so I'm going to go up to create, reuse a post. And I'm going to scroll down, make sure this is the right class. Oh, this is all last year's, the wrong class. There we go. First period. Got to find the right class. So I clicked reuse posts. So you can search your archived classes from last year if you have any archived classes. And I use this function a lot when I had 2 years back to back of social studies for 6th graders in the last couple of years. I don't have it this year. All right, here it is, 9/19, Monday 9/19, and you can see my Thursday is this right here. So I need to reuse this post, Thursday 9/19. I'm going to make that Thursday 9/22. All right, click that, click reuse, and I'm just going to change this. I'm going to hit the to get the Bitmoji shortcut, I'm going to hit the Windows key and period on my Windows-based computer. IEL, there it is right there. Okay, so this is going to be Thursday 9/22. Actually, do that the other way around, right? Right, so make sure you have the right week, which looks correct, same week. and I click my classes that I want to assign it to right over here on the right hand side. This class is a new section which we haven't filled up yet, so I'm going to leave that empty. I did have a social studies class, which my schedules just got changed because we had an overflow of students, so we're moving some schedules around. But all right, so here we go. I recreated Mondays and I have the same links and everything. So now I can just click draft, save draft. And if we go down here, there it is right there. I'm going to pull it down here in the right order. All right, so there we go. We took Mondays, we duplicated it. We just changed the little colored icon and the date and the day of the week. So we're now in the same thing on Monday and Thursday, which is keyboarding practice. And I'll take this lesson here, extra one, which I originally had, and this one, and we'll just scoot everything back. All right, so that is how to reuse a post in Google Classroom. Again, go to create and reuse post, and you just go look for either the assignment you need or the post you need from this year. You can even click on your archived classes and reuse material from last year. Obviously, if you reused something from last year or even this week, you may need to certainly go in and open that post and look at any links that you have. If there's any game links with quizzes games or anything like that, those would be expired, and change the verbiage as needed and called for. But the bulk of the information is going to stay the same. Maybe some days of the weeks or other things that you put on there last time you posted that you don't need this time. So you just got to open up each one and make adjustments as needed. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. More information like this on this channel. Thanks for watching.